In my last video, I discussed the first movement of Beethoven's Sonatina in G major. Check the video link in the description for your reference. Yes, the video was very helpful. Thanks for all the tips. You're welcome. Today, let's continue learning the second movement of this piece. Awesome! The structure and the key signature of the second movement is the same as first movement. It also has A, B, A coda 4 sections. It is in G major, has one F sharp key signature. What's the difference between the second and the first movement? The time signature is different. The second movement is in 6/8. It's like a waltz. See which way of playing you like better. I like the second one better. Of course, we should play this piece more lightly and feel the upbeat. See if you can dance with your playing. If not, either your tempo or your articulation may be incorrect. How should phrases be divided for this movement? For every 2 measures, we can put a comma. For every 4 measures, we put a semicolon. And for every 8 measures, we put a period. I know when people dance the waltz, sometimes they incorporate the waltz turn. It looks very beautiful. In this music, is anywhere can capture that moment. Yes, you've pointed out the interesting part of this movement. For measure 16 to 19, you can imagine that's the place for waltz turns. Yes, that sounds exactly like waltz turns. Turn, 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 turn. Oops, feel a little dizzy. Oh, be careful. Anyway, I think we've covered most details on how to play this movement. Check out this video for a performance of this movement, and this video for the tutorials of the first movement of this sonatina. Thanks for watching. See you next time.